So hello everyone, Kashif back again. So today we are gonna talk about backend things. It's been a few days and I haven't posted any progress or video on backend. So let's get started today. Till now we have seen what is 3-tier architecture, what is backend, how we can start with backend, what is Node.js, what is npm, why we are using express.js, why we are not using Node.js inbuilt module, that is HTTP, why we are using express, and all that things. And we have seen create operation and update operation, delete operation, and read operation, all these operation CRUD operations we have seen. And so today I am thinking to talk about with you guys is what is a request response cycle. So whenever we are typing anything, let's suppose that we are typing Google, right? Google.com. So this is something I am requesting. I am client now. I am client now. Okay. So I am the way I am hitting enter. Okay. So one request has been gone from my side, from this client side. My PC, my laptop, me is here as a client. Okay. So I am as a client. I am requesting. So one request has gone to the server, and there will be available some kind of server that is built by Google. Okay, that server will read my request. Okay, that is request. Then that server will read the server all the request, whatever request I have done, and on the basis of that, if the request is genuine, that server will respond us. Okay, so this is how, and then I am going to receive the response. Request response cycle, request response cycle. Okay guys, so let me just uh tell you like this. Okay, hmm, I'm not Microsoft Word नोट पे चलते हैं. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so let's suppose that guys, this is me, and this is me, this is me, and I am client also. And this is server. So I am requesting, I am requesting, and this will process us. Mm, this will process us, and on the basis of that, it will give us a response. So this is called request response cycle. Request response cycle. Okay guys, it doesn't matter that whatever I am expecting as a client in response, if I am getting that response, only that then this cycle will complete. No, suppose that I am typing something, let's say uh I want an, let's say, a Mac machine that has M7 chipset, but Apple hasn't built this. right till now. Okay, so I'm not gonna receive that response, but instead of that, I think I am gonna receive something else in the response, right? So we can say request response cycle has been done, right? Sometimes what happens is we have, not we haven't requested properly. We have done some spelling mistakes and all kind of stuff. Still we are gonna get some response from the server side that your request is not processable, your request is not correct, and something like that. So yeah, this is something we can say is request response cycle. Okay guys, so if we are building our server, now, if we are building our server, we need to make sure that any client, they will request us they will request us, and we need to respond on these requests. We need to respond. Our server needs to respond. So this is what, guys, this is why we need to understand this request response cycle, guys. Okay, I think you are already familiar with this. Yeah, now what we gonna see is, we have seen normal way of coding, how to create, how to do CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete, right? Now in further videos we are gonna see about, see about uh, routers. What are routers? Okay, what are the routers style to code in, backend, whenever we are coding with Node.js or Express.js. After that we are gonna see about what are middlewares. Okay, this is also important, guys. We need to understand all the aspects so that we are ready to build production ready apps. Okay, now after that we'll be saying about MVC. What is MVC? MVC is model view control. What is MVC and how we can implement in our code MVC? What is model, what is view, what is control? So these are the things, guys, we are gonna, we are gonna read, and we are gonna understand, we are gonna implement our code. So see you soon, guys, and we'll be, doing all these things very soon, maybe in next video. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. This was the quick update from my side, and yeah, thank you. Have a good evening.